Good morning, children. Last class we discussed about the trade union. This class we discussed about the workers' rights. Before going to the topic, all over the world, the workers have been fighting for dignified life and at the same time fought for several kinds of securities and rights. How the securities and rights helpful to the employees now discussed about. The first one is productive right to productive and safe employment. Each and every employer must ensure a product to produce under the safe conditions without risk their health. According to that work, his skill and capacity do the work under the safe conditions. And second one is right to leisure and rest. This is very important, right? Because of the in the last past 200 years back, each and every industry and factory without employees to the employees without leisure and rest per day 24 hours. In the 24 hours, nearly 22 hours work their industries. So all employees and workers or job holders illness to their health. So after many movements, the industries and factories give the leisure time. In the leisure time also, the first time, after many movements, 7 days per week, one day give the holiday to the Sunday. After some movements again rose, the government also minimum 8 hours per day is the working hours. This is the right to leisure and rest. And third one is employment security. The employment security is also very helpful to that right to the each and every employer. In this employment, which will ensure him a livelihood and will not be without any reason thrown out of work. It is very important, and for a company, it not remove the worker, and she should pay adequate compensation for the loss of his work. And third, next one is income security, so that each and every employer has adequate and regular income to take care of their daily base needs to their families, like the children's fees, family running, and so on. And these savings are also living dignified life in their old age life. And next one is security, work security. The work security is very important. Each and every employer or private employer or government employer, this work security, when they fall ill or any accident, they can get proper care to get their paid for the period of illness. And the next one is skill improvement. Each and every employer, they can improve their skills and capabilities while at work. Without any skill improvements or capabilities, that employee should lose their life. And next one is collective voice. The collective voice are also very helpful to that form of unions to express their problems and needs without fear and negotiate with the employees as a group rather than individuals. All these workers' rights and securities, last 200 years back, the workers all over the world have fought to get these workers' rights of recognized, even though they may not be implemented in all places. In most of the countries, the government have agreed to these basic needs of workers and made laws that ensure workers of these rights. Thank you, children.